So this time I will show you how to troubleshoot in laptop uh, web camera issues. So first of all, you need to make sure the camera cover is opened. For example, this one is opened. So otherwise you won't see anything. If it is open and you cannot see anything, using other apps like Zoom or WebEx. So the best thing you need to do is to using the Windows built-in app to open it to see if there's anything wrong. So you type and search here, camera. Okay, you will see the app camera. Click that. It will open the built-in Windows app for the camera. So if you're using that, cannot see anything, what you need to do is go to the File Explorer and make sure you select this PC, right click. You can see the Manage option here. If you select other folders, you won't see the Manager option here. So you need to select this PC, Manage, and then there is Device Manager. Click that, go to Cameras. Right click the camera, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. It will searching online for the drivers. If you see the best driver for your device already installed but your camera not working, you can try to uninstall device. Uninstall it, then right click desktop, scan for hardware changes. So because you already deleted the camera, you cannot see the camera here anymore. But if you scan for hardware changes, the camera will come back and it will help you reinstall the drivers. After that, you can try to use the camera app to see if it is working. If it is still not working, you'll be better to go to the manufacturer website to see if you have a new driver update. For example, if you have a HP laptop, you go to HP website to see if the camera driver has a new version. Download it and try to see if it is working. Don't forget to restart your computer. Sometimes restart your computer will fix most of the problem. So if all of them not working, what you need to do is to check the camera. Maybe the camera hardware itself has problem. Another thing is some of the laptop, for example the Volvo, they have a key for camera, F8. So if you press F8 or function plus F8, it will enable or disable the camera. You can also try to find your keyboard if they have some logo like this. If you have that option, that means you can try it and see if it is disabled the camera. Okay, hope you enjoy this video, and if it is fix your problem, please like this video. Thank you, bye bye.